Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, another video from my YouTube channel. And today guys, I'll show you how to replace a aftermarket radio on 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500. So I did unbox already whole system here. So I got the whole set. This is the screen, the wire harness, the Bluetooth, the speaker, and we got the whole system. We got also the whole installation here. It's a 7.8 inch GMC radio. So yeah, first thing what we're gonna do is I'm gonna remove the old one. First thing to do is to remove this molding around the radio and the climate control switch, and then we'll make sure everything is perfect and ready to for the new radio. And then I'll go one by one, think what I'm gonna connect for the new radio also. So first thing, what are you gonna need? You'll need a clip removal, something like that, and you'll have to find a right spot where you insert this to make sure you can kind of insert it and try to pull this plastic just like that. As you see here, it's just start coming out already, just like this. I already want to remove this one too to have more grip, just like this. It's actually pretty easy, it's not too hard, but just make sure you're not put too much tension on this part, because here is actually very sensible, because here is a kind of whole piece all around, but here is kind of hanging out, so this is a very actually sensible part of it. And that's it. Here we go. Here is the whole molding out, and then we got about 4 connectors. Yeah, here is the 4x4 switch. Here is the lighter, here is the ABS, the traction control button, and this is the USB. Very easy to be removed. Just like this. Each one has a clip. Just remove one by one. And here we go, guys. With one hand, we removed everything, and we're putting this on the side. Next, what we have is we gotta remove the radio, but to do that you need 7mm or 8, I'm not sure, I think it's 7. First, what you want to remove is the climate control switch, because this is, if you look at it closer, it's actually sits on top of the radio. So you're gonna remove this first too, and then this will fall, not necessarily to disconnect it. And then you got 4 screws on the radio, and then behind it we're gonna have a bunch of connectors and a wire harness. So alright guys, so 7mm actually, just like this. You're gonna go ahead, remove each screws. Go, we got all the screws out. Now the radio easily comes out, and we got 4 connectors. One is antenna, one is the USB and aux, and the power, and also the speakers, the multimeter. So just like the before other ones, they come easily out. Right behind here we got this cable like that. This is the power. We insert it just like this, comes in, it clips in. Right here, this is the speakers, supposedly to come in easily too, all the way in. Then we got the I believe this is the camera. All right guys, so I figured out there's plenty of wires. What we do is we got this, it's a Bluetooth box right here. This goes inside through this little wire here, as you see. And then the white one, it looks just like this. I don't know how to explain which connects, but make sure you have these colors and you insert it right. Then we got the power. Then we got the like I said, the connector, one of the comes here on the radio. Then we got a I don't know, there's the antenna. Right here is the connection to the antenna. Then we got the what else we got? We got this one for the advanced Bose system. Also guys, don't touch the gray wire, because this connector is actually for only Bose models. This car, as you see, it's a base and it doesn't have a Bose system. So what we're gonna use only is these two connectors. One is power, one is the speakers. We go ahead and connect that, and that's it pretty much. This is it. This is going to be the antenna. It goes in here. Then we go with this one. We go here, and then these two. This is the power. This is the speakers. So it goes. They're different shape, and the power gets only in one, and then the second one goes in here. Again, don't touch the gray one. And let's go ahead and connect and see if we have any results. Also, this is the USB. It comes here, and the yellow one, guys. This one is actually for rear backup camera. I just put it in. I'll install it later. I guess there's going to be another video, but yeah, this is, guys, when you install your actually camera. I'll do that a little bit later, but yeah, it's actually pretty simple. You just connect the camera to this connector, and then you go through all the way back, and where you want to install your camera, and that's it. That's how it actually works. All right, so this little box is the GPS. You can peel the sticker and stick it somewhere in the back. So let's go ahead and I'll do the connection so you guys can see. We got the two black ones here. Power goes in this one, and then we got the second yellow one goes in here. Then we are going to connect the antenna. It goes right here, just like that. And now we are actually good to go. And before I peel everything and put the stickers on, the GPS, the Bluetooth, the speaker, I'm just gonna go and give it a try. I'll put everything in and see actually how it works. I'm gonna make sure everything works properly and nice. Just let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright guys, so everything is connected. Let's go ahead and look at this turning on. Here we go, guys. We got the radio on. Let's see if the radio actually works. For a second, I don't know, is the volume. The volume works. Here we go. It's the radio. So we got the connection, guys. So this is it. The radio is connected. Like I said, we gotta connect everything in and put exactly everything to be a speaker. Alright guys, so as you see here, we got the radio done. The trim is it's installed. We got the USB CarPlay. I just pulled it here. The customer doesn't mind. We got the climate control installed. We can get some stickers here for later on, but anyway, this radio, it's actually looking good. It's pretty nice and it's much better. It has the CarPlay, USB, Bluetooth, and everything included. So alright guys, that was mechanic mode, and see you next time. Subscribe below and leave a thumbs up. Bye bye.